up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, it's like been mowers like crazy. And
Isn't
I gotta say,
how many mowers we've done this
yeah,
year?
but I gotta tell you, dude, I've never seen mowers like it. Just feels like overnight this year, mowers have just all gotten good.
Yeah, high quality, and there's a lack. So the last 2 years, we haven't seen a ton.
Right.
Like you said, the mowers we've been testing this year.
And mowers have just been like, but every mower seems to have its own little cool thing that I wish we could take off different parts and just make the ultimate mower.
Right?
Wouldn't it be funny?
How cool would that be?
Yeah, what if we did, dude? We just cut off wheels and just put one together. The Franken mower.
Duct tape it.
You guys, today we're talking about something from RYOBI, which is available where?
Home Depot.
Home Depot, you guys.
Yes.
I think you can get them online somewhere too, but we want to just stick to the Home Depot part, you know, because you can actually go see it in person. Order it online, especially with the COVID thing. You can order these online. But this is their new, what is it?
21 inch, it's got a steel deck on there. One of the coolest features to this that we've never seen before is the way you adjust all four wheels. So usually it's either individually wheels or it's a spring adjustment, which still the spring adjustments are fine. This is just cool because you actually just press a button, pull up or push down.
It's literally
really cool.
the only first one that I could do with one hand.
Yes.
Without a hard time.
Well, without having to grab it, hold it, do other things like that.
Because most of them you go to move the spring, the mower moves. This is just an up and down action. So it's actually, you're putting force to go down, it goes down. You're putting force to go up, it goes up, right?
Yes.
3-in-1, you guys, it does bag, it does mulch.
It doesn't side discharge though.
It doesn't?
2-in-1, yeah. It does not have side discharge.
Not even out the back?
Well, you don't want anything coming out the back when you're standing there.
Well, no, I've seen some mowers that side discharge out the back.
Oh, like a chute that goes out the back?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see anything in the box, so no.
Did it say on the box that it's only
I didn't see that, no.
Wow.
Did not
All
see
right,
that.
well, who side discharges these days anyways, right?
No, seriously, you either bag it or you mulch
That's so
it,
true.
honestly.
I don't bag it, but
Well, I
mean,
do because I got a small yard, so a lot of times I'll bag it because my kids play out there, and if it's tall, otherwise it clumps up, and then they come inside, they get grass everywhere, and then I got to listen to it. So.
It's like zero turns, right? When I mow my yard, most zero turns have a side discharge. That's it. I don't think of a zero turn as a mulching deck, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So maybe this is the norm. Maybe a lot of people... Side discharging does leave lines. Side discharging does leave big clumps, you know? Or that brown grass.
Yeah.
Man, that does suck.
Well, no, I think nowadays, just, you know, it's nice just getting it back into your yard and all that fertilizer, whatever you call it, you know, helps the grass, so.
Yeah, and you guys, 40 volt powers this. It does come with a 7.5 amp hour battery, which just pops in here, and you can put a second battery in for runtime. Now, I know what you guys are here for. Everybody's asking, runtime. What is runtime? Runtime depends on tons of variables.
There's a lot of variables.
How deep it is, how fast you're going, how fast you have the speed going, this and that. With 2 batteries, you're going to get your average size lot done. Did it give a time on it or anything?
No, but I mean, even with 1 battery, you're going to be able to do it. You know, your average size lot, under half an acre, you're easily going to be able to do that.
Yeah, basically, if you're one of those guys that have a bigger lot and you're just, you know, on the edge of getting a tractor, yeah, you probably want a gas mower, or you're going to get one of these with 2 batteries in it, you know? Mm-hmm. It depends. If you have a normal sized lot, a normal sized home in a neighborhood, you know, half an acre and under, electric mowers is the way to go, right? If you're pushing an acre, yeah, I mean, I got 3/4 of an acre, and I hate.
It's just 3/4.
Yeah, but I don't know. But the house is on it too, so I don't know.
Wow, so even though, if your whole property is 3/4 of an acre, I couldn't imagine doing that with a push mower. You'd be spending your whole week. I feel like you'd spend your whole weekend doing it.
It's a good 2 hours mowing my yard with a push mower. That's why I do use the zero turn. You know, even with a tractor going around and then circling in.
Yeah.
You guys, it is an electric mower, so you can fold it up. You also can. A lot of them don't have an extendable handle on it. This one does.
And it's very easy. All you do is just push this down and it extends right like that.
So even if you're shorter and you want that shorter handlebar, you can do that with this just by shortening that. Give you more of a comfort ride. The power is all set up at the top there. It's got like a slider that goes left and right, which will take your speed. Was it front or rear wheel drive?
It's rear.
It is?
Yeah, I'm almost positive it's rear.
Are you sure it's not all-wheel drive?
No. Yeah, rear.
Rear, okay. Alright, I don't know if I'm a fan of rear-wheel drive versus front-wheel drive. What are you? Because with front-wheel drive, you can lift and then pivot at your own pace and then put down without disconnecting.
Yeah, I just like the rear wheel drive because I'm used to doing that. I mean, the one thing about this self-propelled is nice. There is a little bit of delay in there that takes a little bit getting used to. The other thing I noticed with it's nice because up top you have like a slider switch where you can actually decrease or increase the speed. that's a little finicky. But again, it's one of those things, once you get used to it, it's fine. It's not a big deal. The one thing I did like about this, I love how it bags, I love how it cuts, and I like how it mulched. So
Yeah.
quality-wise,
It did a good job, man.
And I think it's got a great build quality to it,
Yeah,
too.
and RYOBI's come a long way with build quality too. Like Eric said, it's just definitely a lot more rugged than it used to be.
The one thing I do find interesting is that a lot of the electric mowers are going with steel decks. And I wonder why that is over the ABS.
Because there was never a problem with the ABS decks.
I actually like the ABS because I feel like it's lighter. I mean, maybe it's the flex in there.
Well, I think
don't
it's
know.
also
I
a
don't know what it
quality
is.
thing. If you're in a Home Depot, if you're in a Lowe's, if you're looking at all the mowers lined up, right? If you're in Menards, you basically are going to pick those up and rock them. And the steel ones always just feel that much better quality. I
Oh,
don't
you know
know.
what I'm wondering too, maybe? Maybe the gas, kind of like how the Toro, the gas and the electric, it's the same deck. So maybe now you only got one. You're not
But
dealing with
RYOBI
different-
doesn't make a gas-powered mower.
Oh, they don't make a gas-powered push mower?
I don't think so anymore.
Oh, okay.
I mean, don't quote me, you guys, but I don't think so anymore. They used to. I believe they used to.
Maybe, okay. Maybe, yeah, I don't know.
But I don't think they make it anymore, you know? And this is crazy. Usually you see stuff like, you know, like this is manufactured with another brand or another brand manufactured this, but this literally looks like it's manufactured by RYOBI. It's pretty unique.
Which I think it is because TTI does do their own manufacturing, so I'm guessing
But I
that
think
they would.
TTI did, not only does RYOBI, but I think they did Echo for a while or still do Echo. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I don't know if they still do. They did do it. You're
Yeah,
right.
so
I forgot
TTI,
about
you know,
that.
they do Milwaukee, they do Rigid, they do Hart over at Walmart. But even the Hart mowers don't look the same. We got to get the Hart mower, you guys.
Yeah, I want
That's
to try that one.
Yeah,
I'm really curious
Eric
about
hasn't
that
seen
one.
it. I saw it in New York. I thought it was pretty cool.
I don't know. Like Dan was saying, it's amazing how well the cordless mowers have come along over the years. I think
Yeah.
that's cool. All right, thanks for visiting
You're
the show,
welcome.
man. I'll see you later, dude.
No, I got a thing on my phone that says we got cameras, you guys. So it said moving at the big door and it's open.
Every time I'm stealing your tools, I mean, every time I'm borrowing your tools, like, you
Oh,
notice
dude,
that?
I got a record.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
I got a record.
right.
Yeah.
Well, there goes my tool collection.
Yeah. Comment below, you guys. Let us know what you guys think. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.